Hello everyone! Welcome to Toddler Tuesdays online, and today I've invited a very special guest from the east coast of Australia. Did you hear that? I think they're coming. Hello, hello! This is the Satin Bowerbird. And the very special thing about the Satin Bowerbird is that they build a nest the same colour as themselves. That's right, they collect everything that's blue. Let's be Satin Bowerbirds today. Woo! Today, we are going to be just like the Satin Bowerbird. You can see I've collected some pillows and some cushions so that we can make our bower. Let's get to work. There. That's nice and snug. Next, the bowerbird collects all the blue things that it can find and makes a dazzling pattern in front of its bower. You can choose whichever colour you like and collect everything of that colour that's in the house. I'm going to stay like the bowerbird and choose blue. Now, what blue things are in the house? I know. A blue blanket. Some cups. There's actually a lot of blue things. And a blue book. There's a blanket, some cups. What have you got? I've got a plate, some pens and pencils and a texter, pegs, some lids, an eraser in a blue bowl. It's this big blue jar, a towel, a ball, this top, some delicious popcorn in a blue packet, an old diary, a sharpener, a sock, some more socks. There's a fly swat, nice and clean, and my water bottle. This is a delightful blue hanky. Now, you can arrange all of your things in front of your bower. Put them wherever you like. Let's do that now. there? Did you hear that? I think the bowerbird is coming to visit. I hope he likes what we've done. Look, he's brought us a present. Thanks, bowerbird. And that's the Satin Bowerbird. See you later, everyone. Don't forget to send us a photo of your bower so we can have a look at what you've made. Bye. See you next time.